Hello YouTube, this is the One Reel Analog Man, and as promised, here's a short video follow-up on my experience with the Multistar motors replacing the stock motors on my 350 QX. The motors flew great. I'm very pleased with the performance. They're very smooth, responsive. However, from my type of flying, I'll say, and what my objective is with the 350 QX, I have put the stock motors back on. I found the Multistar motors draw a lot more power than the stock motors do, and the ESCs got a lot warmer, and the discharge on the flight battery, I fly with a 2200 milliamp 3-cell, of course. I do have bigger batteries, but I can't squeeze any of them in there, and I'm not sure that for this ship I'd want to do that anyway, but it discharges the battery down in the 3.7 range compared to what would be probably 3.8 on my other with the stock motors, excuse me. So, and I didn't like the way the arms felt, the heat coming off of the ESCs. I could barely feel any heat at all with the stock motors, but with the Multistar motors I do feel a good bit more. Now let me say this, I don't believe there's anything unsafe about using these motors. I think that, especially if you guys are using the stock props. Now I'm using the carbon fiber props and the small parts CNC prop adapters, and I love them very much, and I intend to continue to use those. And that probably did impact the load on the motors. However, I don't view the 350 QX as an experimental platform. There's just not enough. There's really no options on putting another ESC in there, and a bigger ESC, and I'm not sure I'd want to do that with this particular ship anyway. My purpose was, when I bought this 350 QX, to learn about the quadcopter world a little bit and to do some simple aerial video. And this is by no means a pro setup for aerial photography, and I realize that, but it's a good turnkey platform, the way it comes out of the box. My only complaint about the stock motors is the quality is not the quality of a $50 motor, and it's a lot of money for what the motor is. I mean, when you figure $200 to replace 4 motors and the cost of a ship that's not much more than $400, it just doesn't set well with me. Now, this is in no way a slander against Horizon Hobby. I have a lot of their products. I have a lot of respect for their engineering. They've done a fantastic job with the engineering on the 350 QX, no doubt about it. For something you just buy and fly right out of the box, it's a fantastic platform, and I'll continue to fly it. But I think what I'll do in the near future, I've still got the Multistars, and I'll probably just build up some kind of a quad, maybe a 450 size, something with just an open configuration where I can experiment around with ESCs and different controllers and stuff, now that I'm sort of more going in that direction with the quad stuff. But I just wanted to report to you guys once again, I don't think I would not hesitate to recommend the Multistar motors under certain circumstances, once again maybe with the stock props, but I just wasn't comfortable with the how much more battery drain there was, and certainly the heat and the load on the stock ESCs, which are really the only option as far as I can see. So hope it doesn't disappoint anybody, and once again, I'm not a salesman for Horizon Hobby or for Multistar motors. I just wanted to share my experiences with you. I was excited about getting the new motors, but once again, for my flying, it just wasn't exactly what I was looking for. So thanks a lot, everybody, for watching. I hope this helps. It doesn't hurt you. Hope it helps. And God bless you all. Have a good day.